Okay, guys. So today we are going to see like a illustrator, and we are going to create some logos, as well as we are going to create some pamphlet and brochure designs. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So you can see this is kind of a new software and new latest 26 Adobe software. Okay. So here you can see, right, this thing. These are all your
Yes, sir.
artboard. Kindly note it down. This all artboards. This
Yes, sir.
print, all those things called as artboard. This is the document creation, new document creation window. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Then you can see the title. Okay. So whenever you are working, please create the title.
Yes, sir.
Logo sample. Now I'm going to have a name called logo sample. Okay. See the width. Width is the 50 pixel into 50 pixel is there. You got it?
Yes, sir. I got it.
Yeah. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to create A4 document. Okay.
Yes, sir.
What I'm going to do, I'm
A
going to,
photo.
yeah, A4 document, which is print. In the top, you can see
Yes,
here,
sir. Print.
the top.
Yes,
You
sir.
can able
Yes,
to
sir.
see that.
Yes, sir.
So select it and portrait horizontal. You can choose from here actually.
Okay, sir.
And CMYK for printing, RGB for color. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
whenever you are working for printing, it should be CMYK color combination only, because that time only your things will get high clarity and the printing quality will be good. Otherwise it will
Okay.
be like a digital combination only. RGB is a digital format. That will be
Okay, sir.
looks at good in the systems and mobile apps and some other forum. Okay, that online
Okay, sir.
format will be good. But think
Okay, sir.
about this one. Like if you are talking about printing, right? So it should be
Yes, sir.
CMYK and
Okay, sir.
CMYK. It has some color combination. Wait, I will show you. RGB means yes, exactly. CMOK means
Mm.
Cyan, magenta, yellow, and key. Key is a black. These are the major combination. Why CMOK is coming in the picture? Because when the printing, right? When we it is a printing, while you are doing printing, right? It takes much ink. That ink quality, right? That should be heavily it will take for RGB. So they have some combination of black and cyan, magenta, yellow. It gives more quality print using this color combinations instead of using RGB colors. So it's a kind of a purpose. Okay. So basically the printing process goes like that.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now coming to our creation. Okay. So now you can see CMY color and high. This is resolution. When you are working with a high quality file for printing, it should be 300 pixel. Sorry, 300 ppi. Okay. Why I need to
Mm.
give this much quality, this much level? Because that time only what it will happen, you may get good quality output. Otherwise, you may not get quality output. Okay. Now I'm creating the things. Okay. 1 second. Okay. One second, I call to Vignesh. உங்ககிட்ட விக்னேஷ் நம்பர் இருக்கா முத்து? கால் பண்றீங்களா? அந்த இபி கம்பெனி. Okay, coming back to the subject. Now we have logged in, okay? What is logged in right now? We have just created the document right now, okay?
Yes, sir.
So this side, what and all you are seeing here, right? It is the
Yes,
tools,
sir.
okay?
Okay, sir.
Right side, what and all you are seeing, it's a side panel. We can say like a side panel, okay? So
Okay.
here, what and all you can able to do? You can do restructure your workspace. You can restructure your workspace like
Yes, sir.
essential, classic, painting, like tracing, all the materials, this and all workspace. Basically, how you are setting up your app, you can set your apps. So now you can go for a essential classic. The application may get some changes. You are clicking on essential, your application may get some changes. Sometime you
Sure.
may done something bad. You want to reset. You do the reset. Here is a reset. So reset essential. So this is your setuping your application right side corner. You guys are getting right. This is
Yes, sir.
like resetting your application. Okay, fine. Now come to this tool. Okay, this is move tool, which already you people know that. Some of the people know may not know. This is move tool. Okay, what it will do? Like now I'm created one object. Okay, you
Yes,
got
sir.
my point, right? So I
Yes, sir.
created one object. Now it is having. I want to move this. Okay, so this is a kind of a hand tool for me. So without this tool, I cannot move this object here and here. You got my point?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So every tool has some individual utilization. You know, what is this one? This second one, Naveen, you can explain about this?
Yes,
Direct
sir.
selection. Huh.
Direct selection tool. There will be a point, sir, that is answer point. We can adjust the size based on our preference, sir.
Okay.
Reshaping. That's it.
Very good. Actually, you can do individual editing. That node, right? This node,
Yes, sir.
this one particular node, you want to change
Yes,
or
sir.
you want to do alteration. Using this, you can do. You can select this and you can alterate this like this.
Yes, sir.
You got my point. So
Yes, sir.
everything like now you are creating some logos. You want to do some designs, okay? Using
Yes,
this
sir.
kind of elements, you can easily create it.
Yes, sir.
See, now itself one logo created. Mahendra. Now text tool. I've been clicked on the text tool and I typed here. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you can see the logo company is Wonderly and meaning the company name is Wonderly. The logo I've been created W. Okay. Using one just rectangle. And now I'm going to change the fonts here. What I'm going to do? Font.
Mhm.
So how I can do? See, this is the font thing. When I chose, it is there now. You can move this actually. You can move, you can keep in the top also. Okay.
Yes, sir.
You can see in the top it is there. Regular font size, everything is there. You can see in the top also you can able to see this because
Yes, sir.
your system, right? You can pull like this. You can pull and you can bring the things here like this. Okay, you got my point, right?
Yes, sir.
So you can pull the uh, things to different this kind of setups options in your work frame itself. You got my point? So everyone has
Yes,
some
sir.
illustrator, right?
Yes, sir.
You have illustrator? You have illustrator? No. You have? Can you just try the same thing what I'm doing? Because when you are trying, no, that time only you can able to see that. Otherwise, it will be a theoretical section for you. So you just try this one the same way how I kept this. A4, A4. Yeah. Go to A4. Naveen, you also trying, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You both can sit on one system and try. You people are facing any challenges, please let me know. Okay.
Yes, sir.
You people are got some logo combination.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Hmm. Good. What about you, bro? It
Sir,
came good. Good try. What about you, Muthu? Old version or new version? That's not a matter. Okay. For you also came, Naveen?
yes, sir, I got. Yes, sir, I came,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Okay. Done. Okay. Okay, guys. Now you can change the font as per your need. So now I've been selecting text tool and selecting this. You can see this is text window in the top. You can able to see that, right?
Yes, sir.
Show this in the below. So this is the place you can do your what font selection, font changes, all those things you can do here only.
Okay, sir.
Okay, fine. Now I want to change the font family or a type, that width, right? Or that what we can say, this font family or font weight. Okay, I want to change font weight means what? Yeah. So I want to change the font weight using this regular bold, semi bold, maximum. We will use like this only. Now I'm choosing bit some other font. Okay, yeah, Wonderly. Okay, so Wonderly has like this, and I want to change the font. It's bold. Okay, if suppose I want to make some changes, I can select on this and I can choose regular italic, or bold italic, like that I can change. Okay,
Okay, sir.
now I want to do mistakenly I've been done some mistakes. Okay, I want to rectify. What I can do, I can do control Z. Control Z. I want to do redo. Okay, control alt Z. Sorry, control shift Z. Control shift Z. Control Z. Okay, you got the point,
Yes.
right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I'm created my logo here. Okay, now I want to like this is right now text. Okay, I want to do some design here, but my brush, my tools are not enabled here because it is not possible. Why? Because it's a text object. Okay, in the text object you cannot do perform any other activity here. You got my point? Why?
Yes, sir.
Eraser and all you cannot do. Okay, why I
Yes, sir.
cannot do this in this object? Why? Means this is text object, right? In the text object I cannot do any activity here. What I want to do, I need to go to object. Okay, and what I can do, edit object, select the text. Okay, go to object and expand. Okay, you can do expand and it will come like a expand window like this, object fill. Okay. Okay, if you are clicked like that, now it is a normal vector. Now I can do anything. What I can do? Now I can do anything because why?
Object.
Yeah, it becomes lose the text quality. Now it is not a now it is not a text.
Yes.
Now it's a vector. I can do whatever I want to do. You got my point, right? Now I'm
Yes, sir.
selecting this. I'm keeping this. Okay. Now I need to select. I need to do this. Like I can do individual modification like this.
Mm.
So logo creation means it's your own creativity. You can do anything. You can remove, you can edit. See, now it's a eraser tool. Okay. This is a eraser tool. What I
Yes,
can
yes.
do, see, I'm going to cut the space, cut the things. How I can do? Alt. You know, to click on the alt, it will box, it will come create a box like this. Why the O only getting removed? Because I selected that only. You can perform directly also
Mm.
like that. You can perform directly, but if you are selecting any other object, you have to remember that I have to select the object. You got my point? So now
Yes,
I'm
sir.
doing this is eraser tool. Eraser tool, how you can make the brush size bigger than. You can use that flower bracket, right? Flower bracket, left and right. Flower brackets are na? Like your
Yes.
enter button up, there is a flower bracket will be there. Left is for small, right is for bigger one. Okay, I am. You can do that actually. You can do small and bigger using that thing. Okay. Now Wonderly is there now. So I'm going to do some erasing scenario here. I can do this, or I can do this, or I can do like that. Anything possible. You got? So this is what pen tool, sorry, this is what expand and text logo kind of a stuff. Okay, so you have
Yes.
multiple design combination in the illustrator for the logo creation. I just open my logos combination. Okay,
Yes, sir.
first, before you are creating logos, you want to understand what type of logos are there, what type of combinations are there. You need to understand that. So that is what I'm going into now. Naveen,
Yeah, sir.
you can
It's
able to
audible.
hear me, right?
Yeah, sir. Yes.
We got power cut, Naveen here. Okay.
Oh, okay, sir.
Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm sharing my screen again, okay?
Okay, sir.
If you guys can join in that link using phone, that will be okay. You can able to see my screens. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now we want to change the color combination. If people are joining, right? Okay, guys, fine. Okay.
Yes.
So now we want to change the color combination here. Okay. Now we want to make a color combination for the logo. Okay. Now what kind of a color combination you can give? You can give two combinations. Reduce the noise, meaning volume. Otherwise, you can. Is it okay, right? Okay. Now this is foreground color. This is background color. Fill color. This is fill color and stroke color. You got the point, right? That left this side. You people can able to see this
Yes,
left
sir.
panel. In the left panel, you can see this is a foreground color, the background color in the Photoshop. But here it is a fill and stroke. Okay. So what we do now, we can change the colors. Right now it is stroke, white color stroke is there. I'm cutting down. Now it is cutting down. There is no stroke right now. Before it is stroke, they have like this white color stroke. See, you can able to see. So now
Yes, sir.
I'm just cutting down. Okay. This is just a flat color, single flat color you can give like this. Single flat color, any color you can give from this color palette, color guide, you can see color guides. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now I want to give some gradient color combination. What is gradient color combination? Gradient means, see, this is gradient. Two color combination or multiple level combinations. This is gradient out. Okay, you can choose any two color combination or three color combination, your wish. So this is gradient design, gradient logo, like that it will be. You got my point?
Yes, sir.
I can choose any color combination using my client's requirement or my brand requirement. I can create multiple combinations. See, I'm creating multiple combinations here in this space. I can delete also. Now I can choose delete. I can choose and delete. I can choose and delete. You can learn some experience here. The buttons are all nearby only. How the panels are working. Everything you can learn from here. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I've been deleted now. Okay. So this is static logo generation, logo creation for the Wonderly brand. Okay. You can choose any combination from here also in the top. You can see now. Here
Yes,
also,
sir.
you can choose the color palette. You can choose the like switches, color mixer, gradient. All those things are there. Okay. Fine. Now I can go for logo combinations. So before you are start creating logos, you want to understand the logo combinations first. So what types of logos are there? Okay, we just study
Yes, sir.
about that because these are all basics for the graphic designer or any designer. They have to understand the types of logo. Okay, so first we will understand about monogram logos. What is monogram? Monogram logos are watermarks or logo that consistent of letter like Google, HBO, IBM, only letter combination. There is no much icon, nothing is like that. Google also like that only. That is what? Monochrome. Okay. You can now. Tell me what is the ASPL logo? You got it. Very good. Okay, next word mark logo. Okay, you people can note it down if you are getting time. Okay, that will be helpful for you to do some learning things. Okay, second one is word mark or logo types. Okay, word mark means similar to letter, and word mark or logo types are font based logo that focus on business names alone. Think like Visa, Coca-Cola, and Google. These all word marks. Okay, same letter mark only. இதுவுமே அதுவுமே சேம் தான். It is same only. Okay, but it comes with a font based logo. There in the ASPL you can see that logo has some different combination. It's not a text actually. I created like that, ASPL, like that only. IBM, HBO, NASA, they have created the text. But here it's not like that. They directly kept Google, Coca-Cola, and Visa. They just typed that. No change, nothing. You got my point, right? There some works are there. In text, they did
Yes, yes.
some works. Here it is not like that. We got my point. Okay,
Yes,
next.
sir.
Yeah. Next, pictorial mark or logo symbol. So pictorial mark means like Twitter, Apple, and Target. This and all the logos combination. Like they represent as a this one, like any symbol, like Apple. You can take Apple phone, okay, and you can take like our uh, Twitter, and you can take Instagram. These are all called as a icons, kind of a symbol. It's a symbol oriented logo combination. Okay. Actually, Facebook வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா டெக்ஸ்ட் மார்க் ஆக்சுவலி. அது எஃப் தானே வச்சிருக்கு. அது சிம்பிள் இல்லைல்ல. சிம்பிள்னா இந்த மாதிரி இருக்கணும். பறவை, ஒரு ஒரு ஆப்ஜெக்ட். ஆமா, நீங்க எஃப் தானே போட்டு பண்றீங்க. எஃப்க்கு பதிலாக அங்கே வேற ஏதாவது வச்சிருக்கீங்களா? ஆனால் இன்ஸ்டாகிராம்ல அப்படி இல்லையே. இன்ஸ்டாகிராம்ல வந்து போட்டோ தானே இருக்கு. We have photo, right? For Instagram. That photo frame, kind of a photo means a camera. But here you can think about Facebook, it's F. F means it's text. Okay. So it's not comes under pictorial representation. Think about Dementi. But Dementi is mixed logo. I will show you that. So now you can note it down the pictorial mark. Next
Yes,
one
sir.
is abstract logo marks. Abstract means nothing but, guys, you are creating some combination of vectors together, okay, and you are creating some logos like this. BP, this is petroleum company, okay. This is Coca-Cola. Some round they kept and they have cut it down in the middle. That's it. Okay. And third one is Adidas. Same, three leaves are there. Okay. And they have done some eraser things, and they have done Adidas logo. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next one is Muscat. What is Muscat? Muscats means kind of a cartoon pictures. You have seen McDonald's, KFC, and all.
Yes, sir.
This is Muscat. You got my point. This is McDonald's. You can make go McDonald's. McDonald's. Okay. So McDonald's also has that cartoon character. You can make McDonald's mascot. See, this is what this is mascot. Okay. Likewise, we have multiple mascots for brands. Oppo, we have mascot. You know Oppo mobile.
Yes, sir.
Oppo mobile also has mascot. You know that mascot. See, it will be like this. Every shop before they will keep like this.
Yes, sir.
Oppo. Okay. Okay. So like this, it will be mascot means this kind of a cartoonic pictures that will be helpful for user to recognize their brand. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next, combination mark. Now I what I've been created na like that Wonderly soft Wonderly thing, right? That
Yes, sir.
Wonderly is the combination of mark, combination logo, text with some icons, some designs. It will be like that. Okay, you can see Doritos, Burger King, Lacoste shirt. This all comes under
Combination.
combination mark. Okay. Next, emblem. See, emblem means like it will be a college or university and all, like they will use like this only. Anna University, Karnataka University, like they have used some emblems like this. And you can see the Starbucks also, like that it will be. And Harley Davidson, motorbike company, na, the logo is all called as a emblem logo. Okay. So basically, this kind of logos and all people will use for some brands only. Which brand? They use it for academy, hospitals, and institutes. These people only use rarely. Rarely, software company will use. Do you have seen any software company has this kind of a logo? No. So first of all, one logo while you are creating logo, what you need to keep in your mind. So it's suit for everywhere. Social medias. What and all the social media is there? You can let me know what and all the social media. So Facebook, Instagram,
Instagram.
uh, LinkedIn, and Twitter. So these are the
Yes.
maximum social media, and website is there. So they have to understand while they are creating the logo, it should be good at the places like Google. You can see it is good at here. Same wise, it will be good at social media also. So the profile picture should be set up there properly. Otherwise, what it will happen? It not suit for the social media platforms. That time again you need to work for the logo. So that is what, when you are working for products or any other combination, you need to think all the things. See, this guy worked for the logo. This is what I'm talking about. It should be adapt for everywhere. So when you are talking with your customers or clients, you need to tell to them, hey, so this logo not suit for whatever the suggestion I gave. It suit for the social media. It will suit for the LinkedIn. You can see here. You can go to our Dementi. See that logo suits well. Now it's look like very adaptive. How? Why? Because I know where to use, how to use. So likewise, you need to use the logo combination as well as I will show you one another brand to you. Wait. See that logo combination for Loyola College. This is emblem. This is emblem. Dr. Paul's Engineering College. Emblem. So now you got my point. Where it is coming? For institutes, colleges, like that only. Maximum it will be. Okay. So these are the maximum combination of logos. Some website has 10 different thing and all, but you can just refer this seven combinations of logo. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So now we try some of the logo combination, then we'll wind up the session today. Afternoon we'll connect again for that no no illustrator only brand book creation. Okay. Like
Okay, sir.
now I've been created one logo like this. Then now I need to do. You have to do brand guidelines, right? That today one guy will show the design sets demo to you all. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. If fine. Now it is coming to the part of remaining portion, right? Like this is pen tool, okay? So pen tool is useful for what? Doing some rough uh, shapes. You can able to create shapes like this. So pen tool you need to learn must. As a designer, you need to learn pen tool must, because for anything you can draw from here. You got my point? So pen tool
Yes, sir.
only you need to learn properly for design side, because pen tool must. You can do any art, anything using pen tool only. So you can create the shapes like this. It's like a college, sorry, school kid suggesting here. You can learn about the for art oriented illustrator scenarios here only. You got my point, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
you have to learn this and you need to practice for it. You need to do special practice for pen tool actually.
Okay, sir.
Okay, you got it right?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So come to next one. This is same pen tool kind of a scenario, but curvature tool. It do curves. You can see this are not present in the old software. Don't don't check in your old softwares. Okay. New version is up, but old version is not there. It's not a problem. You get just understood what is what. Huh? Ah, so the 16 version. Next shape tool, okay? For shape, you can create multiple shapes here. Rectangle, ellipse, polygon, star, line segment. So you can create lines, you can create shapes using this shape tool, okay? Next brush tool, okay? So brush tool, you can draw something like this. So you can do some random brushing activities here actually. Okay. And you can select as a this and all vector. You can erase, you can edit, you can delete, whatever you want to do, you can do. Okay. Yes, next. This is shape builder tool. Like now you can remove something and you can add something like that. Now what I did now, see, I can remove this and all new software ideas. It looks good, right? So now I
Yes,
can
sir.
remove this only. Like this it will be. Next, gradient. I already told you gradient. So and mesh tool. Okay. Gradient tool I already mentioned you. It will be like a color combination for you. Any object you can do a color combination. And mesh tool, you can use some different kind of a combination using mesh tool. Okay. Now it is not in the software it is having, but for a older software it won't be there. Okay. This is dimension mean what? It will show the exact size, height, pixels. You can able to understand the sizes. Like this it will be. Some who can use this actually? Some kind of a people who do packaging and all, right? Packaging
Yes,
designs.
sir.
What is packaging design? Some boxes, some like packages, sweet boxes, that kind of a box, right? That is called packaging design. Not only that, so many packagings are there. You can get the Mintra shopping, all the box will come, right? Those all called as a packaging design only. Rice bags, your this one in shopping market they are having no different color branding things will be there. Packets. Ah, any brand. So they have multiple things. Okay. Wait a minute. Yeah, my screen is visible, right? Yeah. So next eyedropper. So you want to choose some things like you want to choose the color from somewhere, some object. You want to drag it. You mean pick it? You can pick from the objects. Same color, same stroke, everything you can. That the same behavior you can pick from there. This is eyedropper. Okay, and then width tool. Okay, width tool means like you can make the some objects or some sizes can be. You can increase, decrease using this one. It's also possible through that one also. Which one? This tool, direct selection tool. Okay, it is possible from here also and here also. So same combination will be possibly you can perform wherever you want to. Like there is two option or three option will be there for same operation. You got my point? If you want to erase, you have two options actually. Using erase button is one idea. You can use some other idea also. You got my point, right? So likewise, you can utilize this software as per your need. because one operation can be performed in multiple ways. Like Lakshman will perform in one way, Arish can perform in one way, Muthu Krishnan will perform in one way. So it will be like that. There is no standard format. You people can use like anything. Okay. So now come to this one, artboard selection. Artboard means the printing pages, right? I want to create another artboard means I will should choose this one only. Okay. I just need to just draw like this. Okay. Or I want to make artboard. What I do, this side in the left panel, you can see below. Okay. There is a artboard down. In the down, you can click plus symbol. It automatically creates the artboards. Okay. And this is objects on path. So this is actually new tool which is not explored right now as me, but we have used these kind of things and all for our alignment things, right? Like I will create this kind of objects. Okay. Now I want to make this align. I will choose in the top. You can see left align, center align, left align, right align. Like this I will do in the top. This and all things. Okay. Alignment center, we can say like that. Okay. Here all the options will be there. You can able to use the left align, right align for your objects. Now what is here, this one, it is also working in the same pattern, I think so. Okay. It works in a different combination, but you can able to create it. It is also kind of same thing only. You can just rotate one thing and you can do what rotate all the things together. Like that it will be. Hmm. So you want to perform anything in the um objects in the path means wait, I will show you that. It creates one path. You got the point. Path means this is the path. Okay, this is the path. Okay. Now what I do, this is the path. I want to match with the this path, I think so. That is what. Now I will choose this. Got my point, right? So it will align with this one actually. Which one?
Sir.
Yeah. So this all together, it has some combination of some different path it can be work. I don't know the exact usage of this, but you can try it out and you can see the usage of this. So now how
Yes.
you can start study about the designs. So now you have the tools, right? So now you can, this is zoom. Okay. Zoom means you can zoom the session, meaning zoom the window. Okay. Zoom the work file little bit closer. Now how you can start learn Illustrator. How you can start means you have the specific ideology, correct? What do you know? Specific ideology. What ideology? Whose phone that is? Your phone, huh? Yeah. Okay. So now you can go to the Illustrator, sorry, YouTube. Okay. Now using logo combination, you can ask questions. What you can ask? Like I want to what? Word mark logo in Illustrator. So you can start study like this. Okay. See this and all you can get some help. This you can see like this. You can just start practice yourself. Okay. See, I will tell you one thing. You sorry, in the design field, whatever it is, you have to practice. by your own timing, because then only you can able to make grow yourself. Otherwise we cannot do anything here. You got my point? We cannot
Yes, sir.
able to put your hands in the chalk piece, and we cannot write on your hand. Okay, you have to start practice by your own. So this is what ultimate goal. You can see how this looks. So one
Yeah.
few minutes you can learn one logo combination. See, fully line work. In one line they have created something like this. You can practice this and you can use in your portfolio too. You got my point, right? So likewise you can start work on some logo combination like this. So what kind of tools they are using, okay, and what kind of a color combination they're using. So how we can able to work like this it will be okay. And if you
Yes,
are
sir.
facing any challenges in the logo or in the iconography, in the trick, you are facing any challenges, you can just pull me. I can able to see and rectify, and I will give a idea. And also I will tell you one thing. Like when you are working with the design team, okay, so you have to be more creative. So then you need to understand more tricks. Tricks means what? You have you have this many options here. See, this many options are there. This many options are there. These many options are there. These many options are there. These many options. These many options are there. It's like a ocean. Okay. So you need to start understand one by one by every day. Just curiosity. Go. And what is the slice tool? How it is useful for the designers? What is the shape tool? What is the path? What is the pattern? What is the repeat thing? What it will happen? So you start debug yourself, okay, and try to understand the things from market. That's it. It will be useful for you. That's it. It's a trick basically. See, I can perform this rotation. I will show you one thing. Last time I told that sun creation to
Yes, sir. David.
yeah. So what I want to do, I want to do control. What is the shortcut, Naveen,
Which one?
for sunset creation, meaning sunflower creation?
Rotation. R.
I need to do duplication, right? First, that
Yes, sir. Rotation. R.
is okay. I
Uh,
want to create this, right? Control Alt
Control D.
D. Very good. Control D. Control Control. Okay. Control D. Okay. Wait. It's simple trick only, but sometime I may forgot. Okay.
Yes, sir.
அதான் அதுக்கு தான் ஒன்று இருக்கு. ஓகே, சன்ஃப்ளவர். அதான் yeah, that is what I'm just confused. Last time I've been came to, yeah, there is lot of shortcuts are there. Sunrise in Illustrator. Okay, you can see, there was many multiple ideas are there, but it's simple. You need to click some shortcuts. Okay, so create a ellipse tool. Okay, take ellipse tool. Uh, Draw ray triangle. Okay, and then rotate and copy. So what is the shortcut we need to use for this?
R.
R is there. Copy. Repeat. Control D. Command D. Hmm. Okay, we can try this.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now it is there. What we need to do? Control R. Command repeat. Where is the repeat tool? Here it is a repeat tool, correct?
Yes, sir.
This is rotate. Okay. Control D. That is duplicate. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. Now, what we need to copy? Control C. Okay. Control V. Okay. Control D. No, it's not working. Control D. Actually, it's very simple trick. I forgot actually. We'll see some tutorial.
So weak, so hot,
Naveen, what about
so
you?
refreshing. To our rectangle tool, and you can probably polar grid tool. And now I will just drag from the
What? Only ads are there. One simple trick only. Okay, wow. It's not a too much complicated thing actually. But only thing is we forgot it. That is what you want to be a designer. You have to see every day this illustrator. Otherwise, after 10 days, it will be nightmare for you. Okay. So you need to understand. Okay. Like every day, how you are looking into your face into your mirror. Likewise, it will be. Because I've been tell you one thing openly. Okay. Past 7 years, I've been used like minimal illustration, no much illustration. I will come for only icon creation. For my UI UX project, I came for UI UX with this icon SVG creation only. I don't use any other things here. But in the earlier days, it's not like that. I've been used any everyday illustrator only. Yeah, when 2016, 17, 18, 19 and all. After that, I stopped using illustrator. Why? Because my entire life is in Figma or Adobe XD only. So you need to think about it. So when you are working on the projects or a product, you need to understand every day we have to do some day-to-day life practices. Otherwise, it is very complicated thing only. Okay. But who has the real potential in Adobe Illustrator and Photoshop, the people will start work on regularly using Photoshop and Illustrator. But what happens? Our day-to-day life change, our company change, and our software will change. What will happen? Our knowledge also go away, or we may forget the original scenarios. That's it. Simple methodology. So you need to understand one thing. So when you are learning Photoshop or Illustrator, it should be everyday combination. You have to work every day. Otherwise, it will go away from you. That's what. Because Illustrator is little complex software. Illustrator, Photoshop, everything. It's all trick. You need to note it down in properly. When I was studying uh, Illustrator, right? We have to write the notes in the notebook actually. That command they will keep tuck, they will put, okay. We may forget and we will ask, sir, it's not coming, sir, like that. Okay. They will come and they will teach us in a slowly, then we will understand that. Why I'm talking this? You people need to understand the issue in the learning of Illustrator and Photoshop. So rotate, 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 sunrise. Now we can try. It's very simple only. Naveen, you can able to help here.
Yes, sir.
Okay. First, what we need to do? First, we need to do one rectangle already done. Okay. Now what we need to do? Polygon tool is there, line is segment is there, done. Select the rotate tool, R key. Okay, now I need to click R. Okay, R is clicked. Now what I need to do? Okay, Alt or rotate point. Alt. Okay, I need to
Center.
do some rotation on that.
In center, we need to click.
Single click and into the center and sun rays will meet opens the rectangle dialog box. Center
Downside, we
only.
can. Downside at bottom center, sir.
What we need to do?
He said bottom center.
Okay, now slightly we done changes. Now what we need to do? Okay, specify angle copy. A dialog box. Okay, got it now. Okay, now Alt. Okay, now you need to do Alt click. You can see rotate na. So you need to click Alt and click. Now you can see 25-degree. Okay, this side
Copies.
copy. Now Command D.
Control D. Yeah.
Yeah, it will be like this. They have a lot of tricks actually like this. Command D is control duplicating. Okay, duplicating things or repeat the things. Okay, now I want to cut it down. How you can cut? Using that this one, right? Window. Go to window and take Pathfinder. Okay, where is Pathfinder? See, you can see the Pathfinder here. Now Pathfinder is there now. Now what you can do here? You can remove this, divide, split, minus, add, subtract, all those things you can do. Now what I can do? I can do divide here. Okay, now I'm going to do ungroup. Okay. Now I did what? Ungroup, right? My
Yes.
entire segment came separate. Like this it will be. The entire segments came separate. See? So like this, you can do Pathfinder activity. So Pathfinder will be helpful for you to know many aspect. Okay. You can divide two things, or you can crop two things. You can merge two things. All those things is possible. Okay. Now this is one logo. So okay, you can keep red color. Okay. Now this is my brush tool. Okay. What is the logo? This is yes. So you can perform this kind of combinations here. See, simple. One shape, one eraser. That's it. One logo created. So like that it will be. எதுக்கு ஷார்ட்கட்டா எரைசர் இருக்கா அது எரைசர் தானே ஷிஃப்ட் இ okay, everything you can hover and you can see. Shift M is one thing, and B is brush, and ellipse is L, and pen tool, and direct selection tool. So it has A, V, selection tool is V. Like that we have some combinations here. Okay. I think today's session, I think it's fine. You people got some basic idea of illustration, correct? So now you start create some logos for you as some of the task. It will be helpful for you. Okay. Create any random logo combinations and take one photo. This all. The learning. What is the learning today? Take a photo and go to your LinkedIn. What is your LinkedIn? Huh? ஆ எப்படியா இதுவே போதும் அதெல்லாம் பார்த்தா நல்லா இருக்காது. So what you can post today in LinkedIn? So we have learned Illustrator basics. Naveen.
Yes, sir.
So today your job is take a window screenshot and go to
Okay, sir.
your LinkedIn and
Okay,
post
sir.
today's learning. What you are learned today?
Illustration basics.
In Illustrator, what are all the topics today you have seen? Basic types
That
of logo, basic type of
yes,
design.
sir.
All you need to
Yes,
keep
sir.
post like this. See, this is my student. Okay,
Okay, sir.
Vignesh, Vignesh person. Okay, this
Okay,
guy
sir.
regularly post content. Day 1 workshop, day 2 workshop, day 3 workshop. So whenever
Okay.
he is learning, he just keep post here. You got my
Okay,
point?
sir. Yes, sir.
So this is what you need to understand. So LinkedIn properly you need to utilize. Otherwise, you are a designer. You are learning design. That
Yes, sir.
you know, your family people know, this ALSPL team know. But apart
Yes,
from
sir.
this people who knows you are learning designing. You
Yes,
got
sir.
my point.
Yes, sir. I got
Start
it.
post content. What is today's learning? Every day I have to see that actually. When you
Okay, sir.
also like today you are coming inside to the academy means institute means or any other organization means today
Yes, sir.
what I learned today. You need to keep post
Yes,
in
sir.
your WhatsApp group while you are living. Okay, it's a everyday activity. Why? Because my students will post like that only. So
Okay,
you
sir.
have to follow like that only.
Okay, okay, sir. I will.
I will show you my sessions to you.
Okay,
See,
sir.
you can see. Hi sir, today I learned aesthetic usability law, fits law, goals gradient, fits
Yes, sir.
effects. Like that it will be.
Okay, sir. Okay.
So see here you can see. Hi, hello, this is Muttaman. Today I learned about user flow, task flow, wire flow.
Okay, sir.
You got my point,
Okay.
right?
Yes,
And
sir. I got it.
she posts regularly content in the LinkedIn platform.
Okay, sir.
Whatever the learning she is having, she will post here.
Okay, sir.
Why? Because she want to get good connection. See, 20 people only there. She want to come into IT sector. How it is possible?
Yeah.
So how many followers you are having?
Uh,
First of all,
I,
who are having LinkedIn profile? You have LinkedIn profile? You have.
yes, sir.
So start post content and build your network. Then only you can go for a jobs. You can start learn from here. See, LinkedIn platform is my learning platform, not only for
Okay,
my
sir.
posting platform. See, you can
Okay,
see
sir.
now I'm scrolling here. You can see my only UI UX oriented content only. You got
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
like this it will be. So basically, you are a designer or you are a graphic person. If you are a illustrator person, it will be looks like this only.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys. I think so. Start post the content here. What is your today's learning and post some samples here. So if you
Okay,
are
sir.
learned about logo mark, word mark, start post the content here. Like you create the content from Canva. What is logo types? You can create the copy paste. You can do and beautifully design that and post it.
Okay, sir.
Okay, PDF and post it in the
Yes, sir.
LinkedIn. So
Okay, sir.
likewise, whenever you are studying something, make a document and post it. While you are
Okay,
doing documentation, you may not forget.
yes, sir.
You got my point. If you
Yes,
write,
sir.
if you are writing in the notebook and you are going to home means I know the things actually. Okay, you have to
Yes,
make
sir.
a document in Figma or Canva and post it in LinkedIn. You have worked on 1 hour for the content. That time it more remember for you. You won't forget it actually. So start
Okay.
make a documentation like that every day. What is the learning for you? Make a document, post it. Make a document, post it. Okay,
Okay, sir.
fine. So we close the session now. If you guys are having any doubts, please let me know. Okay, try
Yes,
it
sir.
first. Practice. You do the practice first. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys. Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye, sir.